Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a very healthy version of mayonnaise with the help of almonds. We are not going to use even a single drop of oil like the ones that you get in market. The texture of our mayonnaise is still very smooth and creamy. So let's start with the process. I'm taking about 3 spoons of almonds and we need to soak them overnight. Adding water as needed, and with the help of a spoon I will soak them properly. Next day morning, almonds have soaked the required quantity of water and now I will drain the excess water. We need to peel the skin of all the almonds. It's very easy to peel skin of soaked almonds, so I will do it accordingly. And here we have the almonds ready to be used for mayonnaise. I'm taking my chutney jar and will add the almonds there, adding salt as per taste and 3 cloves of garlic. Do not add more than 3 cloves, otherwise you may get that raw garlic scent and taste in your mayonnaise. Adding lemon juice of 1/2 of a medium-sized lemon and pinch of black pepper powder for that extra taste. Adding little water, and we need to coarsely ground the almonds once. Now we'll add some more water and grind it one more time until we get a very smooth and creamy paste. So it is ready. It has a very creamy and smooth texture. Now it is plating time. I will transfer the mayonnaise to a serving bowl. Adding some coriander from top just for that extra color. And we are all done. So here we have a healthy version of mayonnaise all ready to be served. That was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.